Yeah, guys, please practice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
what is user prompt? So user prompt means when you log into the server, right? It asking the login username password. So after login to username password, we will get this prompt, right? We will get this prompt. What this prompt is? This prompt is you logged in as a which user, guys?
Root
So
user.
you log in name. So what is the second one? Second one is the mission name or a server name. What the third one? Third one is a present working directory. What this is? Tilt. The symbol is, what is the symbol? Tilt symbol. Tilt symbol is represent to the present working directory. So where you are. So here hash is the user profile. User profile hash is a privilege mode. Root user can execute any command. Hash privilege mode only having root user. Root user can do any command. So Hari Hari user. Hari logged in as a Hari user. This is the host name and this is the tilt symbol, present working directory. So what is the privilege mode? Dollar privilege mode. So dollar privilege is nothing but a, so user having some certain limit of permissions. Some certain limit of permissions. He is able to access the bin commands and he is unable to access the sbin commands. But the root user can access anything. Right? Root user can do anything, right? That's the reason root having hash privilege. Guys, understood? So I already told you, right? What is a normal file, what is a directory file, and what is a link file. We discussed in the previous class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the next talk? Text
Sir, we can't see the screen.
can't screen. I already shared the screen, right, guys? Now,
So now we can see.
now you can see.
Yes.
Yeah. Text processing tools. Yeah, guys. Text processing tools. So now, so we handle the how to create the directory, how to change the directory, right? How to see the files. So the text processing tool is nothing but, so we can so the files, right? How you in the Windows, how you can open the file, how you can read the file, how you can write the file in Windows, guys. How you can write the files, how you can write, read, and modify and delete the files, guys. So in Windows, how you can write, I can read, how you can delete the files, guys, in Windows. Guys, tell me, in Windows, guys, does anyone knows?
Notepad.
Hmm?
VS Code,
Sorry.
Visual Studio,
So Word, right? MS Word, Notepad, Notepad plus plus, right? So everything. Visual Studio also one of the Visual Studio. Okay. So we can use these tools and we can read, write, and modify and delete the files. But in Linux, but in Linux, how you can read, write, modify, and delete a file, guys, in Linux. So do you know, guys? Do you know?
no, sir, we don't.
No, right? Yeah. So we have a three commands are there, three tools are there. One is touch, other one is cat, other one is vi. What is a touch? What is a touch, guys? Touch is nothing but a to
Modify.
create the file, but to create the file, but not write the. So create a file without data. So we can create a file without data. So what is the syntax, guys? Syntax is touch file name. What is that? Touch file name. Example, touch BlueJ Tech. So BlueJ Tech is the file name. So right now understood. So we can create the file, but without data. We cannot add it the. So we cannot add the data into this file. So cat is nothing but a to read the content. Content of the file, to read the content of the a file. So in Windows, how you can read it, guys? Just open it, click it, just click it. We can read it, right? But so we can read the content through commands only. How you can read? Syntax is cat file name. What is that? Cat file name. What is the example, guys? Example is nothing but a cat bluejtech bluejtech. So bluejtech is the file. Or example, another example is cat var log messages. Var log messages. Cat var log messages. So only cat is to read the content of the file. Touch is just create the file without data. Without data. So VA is nothing but a visual editor. VA is nothing but a visual editor. So we can, by using VA or VAM, visual editor improved. So editor by, so visual editor by using this command, we can write the file, read the file, and modify the file. Can read the file, modify the file. So we have three modes. We have creating a file, touch, cat, va. So touch is to create a multiple files without data. So cat is nothing but to read the file, to read the a file. VAM editor or VA editor. VA is nothing but a visual display editor. VAM is nothing but a visual display editor and improved. This command mode editor edit for files. Other editors in Linux are Emacs, geditors. VA editor is the most popular editor. So it has three modes. So one is command mode, other one is insert mode, the third one is execution or extended mode. What are the three modes, guys? Speak it. Guys, speak out. What are the three modes?
Command mode,
insert,
insert mode, execution or
execution.
extended mode.
Execution or extended. So whenever you hit the file, right? VAM file name. What is the file name? bluejtech.txt. Once you hit the file, it will go to the command mode. Once the command mode, what we will do? We will not modify or we will not edit the file in the command mode. Where we can edit it in the insert mode. So definitely we need to go to the command mode to insert mode. How you can go from command mode to insert mode? You can use the press a small I in the keyboard. Once you press the small I in the keyboard, it will go to the insert mode from command mode. So once the command insert mode, you modified the data. So again, you need to command mode because of we cannot directly go into the execution mode. The execution means nothing but we need to save the file, right? So in execution is nothing but saving the file, saving without saving the file, and insert mode is nothing but to modify the content. So command is nothing but just open the file. So once you open the file, right, definitely we need to write the data. How you can write the data? You can write the data by using VI. Something like bluejtech.txt. You can log into that server and you can modify whatever you want. Okay, but so it cannot possible from writing the code into directly save. So it cannot possible directly go to the again we need to go to the say command mode. From the command mode we need to go to the shift to, insert mode and insert mode to command mode. Guys, understood? It is used to create, read, and edit the files. It is used to create, read, write the files. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Yeah, I will show you practically. So did you reinstall the OS?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for example, this is in the data center. How you can connect this server, guys? In our local machine.
Putty using.
Yes, very good. So what is the so the put username is putty, but I need to get the IP address, guys. So root red hat IP space here 192.168.56.123. Okay, I'm exit from this server. Okay, yeah, I exited. So just I minimized. So what is the IP address of this IP address of this server? What is the IP address of my server? How to check it, guys?
Using
IP space.
IP space.
What is the IP address on my server? 192 dot. Guys, speak out. Lakshmi, you also.
168.56.101.
One or
123. My IP address is 123. How to connect? Via remote SSH by using putty. Okay. Guys, don't write anything. You have a recording, right? What is the IP address, guys? If you want to connect a server, what we need, guys? Basic things.
IP
IP
address.
address.
Very good. 192.168.56.123. Okay, this is the IP address. Then username, password. So we need to know the username and password. Okay, username and password. I want to change the settings of my putty. Change bold, 18. Okay, apply. Now you're able to see, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yeah. What is the commands, guys? So what is the commands? File commands. Touch, cat, vam. Touch, cat, vam. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Touch, cat, vam. So what is touch? We can create the file without data. Let's see. Can create the file without data. Touch bluejtech.txt. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, bluejtech.txt cat. How to check the content of the file? Cat, right? How to read the content of the file? There is no content. Yeah. So by using cat, by using touch command, by using touch command, we can create the file without data. We can create the files, but without data. Okay, yes. So we want to push cat bluejtech.txt. So there is no data in the bluejtech.com, right? How you can check cat? So the other files. Let's see. Cat var log messages. Yeah, the data is right, but the data is in the how many files we have a number of files. But how much data we can see? So by using cat, we can see the only this page, one page of the content only. Okay, but it displays everything. But it displays everything. Okay, yeah. So touch is over, cat is over. So what is that other than? Other one is
VA.
VAR, VIM, visual editor or visual editor improved. By using this command, we can create a file, read the file, and modify the file. So what are those? Command mode,
Insert mode.
insert mode,
Execution.
Execution mode.
and
Execution mode.
execution mode. Okay. So what this is for saving the file or without saving the file. Okay. By using execution mode. What is the insert mode? To
Change them.
to insert the data.
Okay.
Insert means add. To insert and add the data. Execution means saving the file. Insert mode. Command mode means just to open the file. Okay. So this is nothing but a command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. Yeah. I want to create a directory vi bluejay tech dot txt file. I'm creating a new file called as a bluejay tech.txt or vi aws with DevOps batch 53. Okay. So I want to go to that file. So now we are in the which mode, guys? Once you enter the file name, it will go to the command. It will go to the command mode. So now we are in the command mode. In the command mode, are you able to write the code? No. In which mode we need to write the code, modify the code? the insert mode. How you can go to the insert mode? By press in the keyboard, by press I. Now you are in the insert mode. This is my first line. This is my second line. This is my fourth line. This is my fourth line. This is my fifth. Yeah, you modified the code, then you save the file, right? So now you are in the insert mode. From insert mode to execution mode, how you can go to the insert mode to execution mode? So directly it can't possible. How you say saved your file? So you saved your file by using in the execution mode. We cannot directly go to from insert mode to execution mode. Then again we need to go to the escape mode. Escape, I pressed the escape button and directly go to this command mode. From command mode to execution mode, so shift colon, we can use the shift colon to go to the insert mode to execution mode. Okay, guys, understood?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yeah. So insert mode, how you can do? You can begin the insert mode at the cursor position, to insert the at the beginning of the line, to append the next word letter by letter, to append at the end of the file, to insert a new line below the cursor position, to insert a new line above the cursor position. So GG is nothing but to go to the line number, go to the beginning of the page. Capital G is nothing but to go to the end of the page. To move the cursor forward by forward, to move the cursor backward by backward, to move the cursor forward and inward, so to move the cursor backward to inward, so to undo last changes, to undo last change. Okay, so again, so we have a to, hyphen capital U is nothing but undo the previous changes, control R is nothing but to read the changes, YY is nothing but a copy file, NYY is nothing but n number of files, P is nothing but a paste the line, and paste the line in the above cursor position. Okay, DW is nothing but to delete the word by word, and X is nothing but to delete the word even better, like a del key, something like you can use DD to enter the delete, to enter delete, and DD to delete n number of lines from the cursor position, to search the n words in the file. Guys, understood? The extended mode. Extended mode is used to save the quit the or save without quit the using escape key with colon symbol, guys. Escape plus colon W. W is nothing but a save the changes. Escape plus Q is nothing but a with quit without saving. Escape plus colon W key is nothing but a to save the file and quit. Escape plus W exclamatory is save and quit forcefully. It is exe yes esc plus x is nothing but to save the file and output. File and output. This is the nothing but a this is nothing but a file, right? Guys, now you understood?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Test processing tools. At the display stop and what are the test processing tools, guys? Now you understood this, right? I will show you this again. Okay. So AWS with PA, AWS with DevOps batch. So insert again, you are going to the command mode to insert mode. So then this is my seventh line. This is my eighth line. This is my ninth line. This is my tenth line. Okay. I created a 10 lines file. Okay. I created the, again I modified the, created the file and I modified the file. Okay. Create AWS switch start. So this is my fifth file, this is my seventh file. Again we AWS DevOps with line. This is my 12th line. Okay. I am I'm in the insert mode. I want to go to the execution mode because of I want to save this file. I don't want this 12th and 11th line. How you can delete this line. Okay. So by pressing escape, so you are directly going to the which mode wise? You are directly going to the shift colon is nothing but a execution mode. Then just hit without saving. Right? Q exclamatory. Hit forcefully. Okay. Without saving also, we get the messages. Get the messages. Guys, understood? Okay. I want to copy the file via AWS with the DevOps. Yeah, I'm in the which mode, guys? I'm in the which mode? Once I open the file,
Command.
command mode.
Command.
So I want to delete. So in the command mode, what we can do? You can the command mode. You can what you can do. So small gz is nothing but to go to the beginning of the page. Capital G is nothing but to go to the end of the page. Okay. Okay. Yeah. See. You see, 12th line I saved. Okay. So I'm going to this. So small g is nothing but to go to the beginning of the page. Shift G is nothing but a capital G. The end of the file. So move cursor word by word. W. 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 B is nothing but a cursor backward. B. 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 Then move the cursor forward to n words. So 5 W. Okay. You want to move the cursor background to n numbers. Okay. Yes, understood? Yeah. So I want to delete the lines. Now I am in the I want to delete this line, right? So if you execute the dd command, okay, so it will delete the file and save it and copy. So cat slash AWS with DevOps. Cat slash AWS with DevOps. Yeah. So deleted the lines. Deleted the lines, right? Yes, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me. Why, right? So 5 y and the paste. 9 y and paste. It's pasted from 9 lines. Okay. This is nothing but a command mode. So what we can do it in the extended mode? Extended mode save the changes. Quit the changes without saving. Save quit changes. Save forcefully. Save and quit forcefully. So save and quit. To give the password to the file and remove the password. To go to the line number 20 and RN. To set the line number. So line numbers to the file. Remove the line numbers. Remove the set line numbers. Okay. Now you can set the line numbers. See line numbers. Okay, you can set the line numbers or you can remove the line numbers. Vector, no line number. Okay, remove the line number. Guys understood? These are the commands. You guys can read it thoroughly. Yeah, the text processing tools. So it displays the top 10 lines from the given document. What is that? So if you provide the document, it will, if you use the header, it will display only 10 lines from the given document. Header hurry.txt, header 5 file name, header 20 file name. It will get by defaultly you will get it 10 times. And if you want more, you can use the hyphen options to get the more details. Okay, header file name, header hurry.txt, header 5 file name, header 20 a file name. Displays bottom of the 10 lines from the given document. That is nothing but you can use the header. It will give the least 10 least 10 transactions. For example, if you want to see the Bahubali header, sorry guys, header hyphen 20 file name, it will get the 20 lines. Head hyphen 5, it will get the 5 lines. So tail is nothing but a, so last lines, last 5 lines. By default, it will get the last 10 lines. If you want 5, you can use it 5 hyphen 5. Hyphen f is nothing but a means follow the output. It will not close the output. Less or more. To read the document page by page and line by line, to see the contents only. There is no modifications. So enter line by line number. Space is nothing but a page by page. Less file name, more file name. Okay, grep. Grep searches for the string or keyword from the given document. It searches can sensitively and it prints that matching lines. Syntax grep string file name. Okay. Okay. Pipeline to output the one of the first command becomes the input of the second command. So you can use the pipe. Pipe is nothing but a R and is nothing but a, so we need to follow both. So sort it displays the output in the sorted order. Okay. So these are the text processing tools, guys. We'll show you tomorrow. The tools, write the other tools, copy, move, remove comments. We'll show you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.